What is the appropriate place to store your files, photos, documents, etc.? Everyone stores it in phone storage or SD card, but the SD card can also damage or it can be lost. So where we must store this? So today I'm going to tell you about this. We must store this in Google Drive. We must create account to the Google Drive and create a account password for the account. So if your phone damaged or lost, you can log in through your account in another device. In this way you can save your store your files or documents. Now let's start to upload some photos to Google Drive. What's till the end to know about Google Drive? Now let's start the video. Go to Google Drive. I've created account to the Google Drive. One file is being uploaded. You can create folders to find your files easily. There is search option also. It's not the matter. I have uploaded 2 photos here. Now I'm uploading one video. It's not completed. You can rename the file also. You can give name according to your choice. For example, I'm giving tech to this folder. You can store here technological photos or videos. You can store there any videos or photos, but it will be easy to find the files if you store the files according to the file name. But I'm uploading another photo because I have no technological photos or videos, because I have reset my phone due to some problems. Now waiting for Wi-Fi. You must tap on the retry option. Now waiting to uploading 2 files means first I have uploaded one video, it was not completed, so again I have uploaded one photo, so it is showing 2 files. Uploading one file means the photo has been completed. And you can see capture. It is the photo. It's uploaded. Read or add comments. Now this photo will stay here forever. It will never lost or never be damaged, but you have to remember the account name and password. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.